Hello students. There are so many students which have a fear about square root values, and so they can't solve the sum that related to square roots. So today I'm going to tell you about the how to solve the roots value. Okay. First of all, we have to understand the meaning of root. If we write it a root in a exponent form, then root a equal to the exponent is 1 by 2. That means half. The exponent value is half. Okay, so we have to solve this. If we want to solve this, then we have to solve this. The root 2 mean to keep power 1 by 2. So 4 1 by 2. If we want to solve this, we can write 4 in factorization method, factorization way, that 2 into 2 equal to 4. So we can write the power is 2 by 2. Now the 2 into 1 by 2, it's cutted, so it's equal to 2. Okay, and like this 25, we can write 25 as a 5 raised 2, and this is root value 1 by 2, this cutted and equal to 5. Okay, the root value mean the power is half. Okay, and if a root square, then square is cut by root. How? A raised to 1 by 2 square, so it's cut by 2. So always if we take the square of root, then its root is cutted with the power square. Okay, and root a into root a equal to a. This is also same way, that root a square equal to a. Okay, and root a plus root a, 2 root a plus root a. If we add the two values in root, then we add only coefficients. The coefficient of this is 2 and this is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 root a, like variables. When we solve the variable value, then we add only like terms and add the coefficients of like terms. Same way we have to add this, the like terms, and root a plus root a, 2 root a plus 1 root a equal to 3 root a. And if we have 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2 minus root 5. Now in this sum we can solve only like terms, that root 5, solve the value of root 5 with root 5. So 2 root 5 minus 1 root 5 equal to 1 root 5. Okay, and 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2, these two values are of root 2, so these are like term. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 2, so this is equal to 5 root 2. Okay, so in this way we add and subtract the like terms in root values. And how we solve the product of root values? Root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. I already let you understand this. And root 2 into root 3, then we can multiply the values under the root. Root 2 into root 3 equal to root 6. 2 root 5 into 3 root 2. Then first we multiply the coefficients of this. 2 into 3, 6. Then the values under the root 5 into 2. So this is equal to 6 root 10. Okay. So in this way we solve the root values. Okay. If we get in any root value in any equation, then we solve this way. We have to learn that how to solve this. That's all. Then every problem with root value, it's become a very easy. Okay.